Hi there, my dear Sagittarius friends. Welcome to M. Duran 888 channel. I'm gonna do your weekly reading commencing 18th of November. It is timeless and a general reading, so it will not resonate to all Sagittarius. Um, take all the positive messages and energy that will resonate in your situation and leave that don't resonate. So if you will like my reading, please don't forget to comment below, like, share, and subscribe. Let's start. Thank you. Love and light. Namaste. Okay, my spirit guides, what are your messages for our dear Sagittarius friends for the week commencing 18th of November? My spirit guides, what are your messages to our dear Sagittarius friends for the week commencing 18th of November? My spirit guides, what are your messages to our dear Sagittarius friends for the week commencing 18th of November? Oh, I can feel an intense, heavy energy in here. Right, okay. Let's see. Um, let's see what will be the cards is going to show to our dear Sagittarius. Okay. Right. See? And, one, two, three. Right. Let's see. For some of you, I can see it in here that you lost you lost someone who are dear to you, and there is a big loneliness, sadness here, grieving. Yes, you are really deeply affected. And then for some of you are dealing with financial difficulties. Yes, that really make you feel depressed, irritated, in a bad mood, and then it ended up having fights, arguments. Yeah, you're spreading your negative energy in here. For some of you, those who are really, it says in here, um, those who are Scorpio, I mean Sagittarius, sorry, is Sagittarius, who have this behavior of being conceited, arrogant, especially those who are, you know, feel like you're smart, intelligent, but please remember that life can turn. It's like a wheel, as I've said earlier on to the other zodiac sign, that life can be like a wheel, or a wheel. Sometimes you will be on the top, sometimes you'll be at the bottom. Okay, so if you are on the top, stay grounded, keep your feet on the ground. And I can see it in here that those who became conceited during their period of abundance, happiness, you were you were famous, yeah, and you became conceited, arrogant, and you are really yeah, and those who are dealing with, third party relationship, um, you're being a stubborn is this behavior, negative behavior, is giving you now a karma. I can see it in here that some of you were cursed by those people who were in tears because of your behavior, bad behavior. So now you're getting now the karma in your life. Okay? Please, please try to forgive yourself. Ask for forgiveness. If those people is no longer around you, then pray for protection, divine protection. You are a intuitive individual, and I can see it in here as well that there are spirits around you who are also lonely, seeing you in that burden situation. But for some of you are now in a healing period and now feeling better. You were also in a burden situation, toxic situation, but you are now moving on. You are now moving forward. Prepared for an unexpected surprise from the universe for those who are now on the healing time. Life, there is a life-changing turn around in here. Um, money is coming into you now. Abundance and prosperity is in front of you. Career opportunities is knocking on your door. There is a happy celebration in here, finally. Okay? And for those who still in a third party relationship, please stop it, my dear Sagittarius friends. Stop it. It will not give you a positive impact in your life. Okay? For those who are in a relationship who feel like betrayed by their love on our behalf, speak up. Speak up. Okay? And talk with your loved one to save the relationship. With this, my dear Sagittarius friends, because of too much in your mind, you are suffering from migraine, headache, and sometimes having a lower back pain, a sciatic pain. And for those, I can see it in here that there are Sagittarius who are having a liver problem, those who are drinker, and then those who are taking a lot of medications that is affecting your liver and kidney. Seek a medical advice if you are feeling having a discomfort issues in here, and if you're feeling like you are feeling fainted, numbness in your body, check your blood pressure, your heart rate. Yes, check your blood level. Okay. Okay, let's see what the bottom of the card is as beware of lies, dishonesty, deceit in here. Do not be deceived by someone who is lying in front of you. Avoid any blind acceptance from others at this time, right? Something is going bad to happen. So this is a warning card. Four of Cups. Okay? That's the bottom of the deck. Aha! Jealousy. You are surrounded with ill will people. So it really impacting on your energy. You are absorbing those energy. Or else those who are dealing with third party relationship or doing something like corruption, those who are dealing with Yeah. Cheating. Cheating money. Yeah. Financial. My dear Sagittarius, I'm telling you, stop it. Stop it. Okay? Karma is real. Karma is real. Okay? For those who are dealing with corruption, cheating money, dirty money, and you have family, you have children, and you are feeding your children and your family with that dirty money, I'm telling you, there will be no happiness as your children grow up. It's them who will suffer from the curse that you created. Okay? Believe on the how curse work, how karma works. Okay? Now you are enjoying with the material things that that is coming from the dirty money that you've been dealing with. Please. Okay, let's see. For those who are only dealing with those toxic situations, two of diamonds. There is a business relationship in here that is going to change because for those who are entrepreneur who have a business partner that is going to commit with a third party relationship, you are, I can see it in here that you are both committed, you are both married, but you just want to have fun flirting each other. Or for those who are having a flirting issues in the job, but you are both committed, there will be a gossip in here, a strong gossip that is going to explode that will affect your mental stability. Okay, this is also a card, a great card for sales, for those who are on sales um, sector. Go ahead with that, and it your sale business is will prosper, will grow. Hey, sorry. Okay, there is a fire sign energy in here, a woman, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius, who will give you an advice with full of wisdom. So listen to that advice because this is a confident woman who knows more than you. Okay? Maybe if you are an entrepreneur or going to start for a new project, a new business, or you just had a new job, then this is a boss more knowledgeable than you. Two of Hearts, for those who have a happy home life, well done, my dear Sagittarius friends, because there is a success, a prosperity, abundance that is really in front of you now. Okay? So you are getting your strength and support from your behalf. Okay? So be happy with that. Okay, King of Spade. This is an air sign energy, um, an ambitious man, yeah, who is going to help you. I think this is a boss, maybe a father or your grandfather. You will be getting an inheritance, so there is a financial abundance in here. This is a prosperity card, okay? Or maybe you are married to this man, yeah. This Aquarius, um, Gemini, and the Libra. Queen of Diamonds. Oh, who is this? This woman is jealous of you. She loves gossiping about you. Okay? This is an indifferent woman. This woman loves partying and flirting. All right. Okay. Oh, wow. So, if for some of you, if you, those who are married, no, not all of you, hey? those with this guy who got money, this woman will enter into your marriage relationship with this man and will be the third person, and this woman knows you. Yeah, she just want to ruin your relationship. But don't worry, she will not be succeeded. She will not succeed any bad plan that, yeah. For some of you, there is a loss in here, as I've said earlier on. Yeah, there is a strong. It came into my, yeah, that you, for some of you, is having loneliness, sadness in your life, grieving energy because of loss of a loved one who is really dearest to you, loss of a friendship, a loss of a friend, a loss of a family member. Yeah, and then this sadness, yeah, is really making you feel down, depressed, irritated. You are behaving indifferently now, and it's really obstructing your opportunity that is coming into your life. So try to have enough sleep. Try to meditate, because meditation is a very powerful tool to uplift your mind, heart, your mind, body, and soul. Okay, from a negative energy. So yes, Eight of Diamonds. There's a new job in here, a new job situation. Someone is, for some of you, is going to travel somewhere. Those who are single, oh wow, yeah, it strongly came into my mind now that in that trip you might meet someone, this lady who is going to try to ruin those who are happily married or happily committed in relationship. So please try to avoid if that's the case. Okay, if you feel like this one will just give you a problem, anyway, you got every, if you are happily married, if you are happily committed in a relationship, and you have a new yeah, please don't. Okay, it says in here, for those who are having financial ups and down, it is just only a temporary. It's a blessing in disguise. Okay, then for some of you who are not married yet, okay, and never traveled before, but you really wanted to travel, there is a travel and marriage in the card that is going to happen late in life. Okay, so let's go to the tarot cards. Let's see what will be the more message that is stored for you, my dear Sagittarius friends, for the week commencing um, 18th of November. Let's see. Okay, the bottom of the deck is, okay, let's see, this one. Ten of Cups. Ten of Cups. Oh, this is a beautiful card. Marriage. Card of marriage. It's a yes card associated with Pisces energy and Sagittarius. No, it's aligned to Mars. Planet Mars, which is action and energy. So you are now going to start your wedding plans, but with someone. As I've said, you might meet someone, okay, and it is aligned to root chakra, okay. There is happiness in here, happy families. As I've said, family is your inspiration. Homecomings for those who are working away from their loved ones, from their family, and then there is a gatherings in here. Okay, abundance is in the card as well, and there is growth and expansion in here for those who just came out from your card earlier on, for those who are getting new jobs and or going to a new job. Yeah, you will be so you will be receiving a reward, a promotion, and you will be transferred to another new workplace. There is growth and expansion in here. Okay, there is a oh, it's in here reversed two of cups for those who are dealing with third party relationship, or for those who are being betrayed by their behalf. There is unhappy feelings in here, couples. Oh, for those, or for those who just lost their behalf. There was a loss, isn't it? Lost their husband, or loss of, yeah, there is unhappiness in here, loneliness, as I've said in here, because it is reversed love card, right? The Emperor, it's major arcana number 4. It's a yes card associated with Aries energy, aligned to planet Mars, which is action and energy, and aligned as well to root chakra. So, for those who are having a promotion, there is stability and authoritarian status in here. And for those who are father to those children, you really have a happy family life in here for most of you, actually. Yes. So let's see what will be the angel message for you, my dear Sagittarian friends, for the week commencing 18th of November. Okay, right. The bottom of the deck is Two of Water. It says in here, a relationship. It's getting darker now. A relationship that continues to grow closer. Forgiveness, right? For those who betrayed you, your behalf betrayed your maybe your boyfriend, girlfriend, or partner, your husband or wife. Forgiveness is necessary indeed to save the relationship. The positive resolution of a conflict. Okay. Six of Fire. Victory for those who are dealing with disputes, scandals, problems, fights. Good news is on its way. Public recognition or awards, as I've said. Others of you are getting a rewards promotion, so it's been recognized your hard work as well. So there is a victory. Yeah. For those who are dealing with that legal issues, and there's a victory in here. Let's see what is the animal spirit message for you, my dear Sagittarius friends, for the week commencing 18th of November. Um, bottom of the deck is Five of Winter. Call it dog. They're so cute, two dogs. Your current path is not leading you toward the happiest possible outcome. So why not change it? Always maintain integrity and compassion, but be alert to the hidden agendas of others. Oh wow, that's a warning card. Oh, so let's see this one. Okay, 13. Release. Peacock. Oh, I love this energy. It's time to release the past and move on to something new. As I've said, for some of you, is now dealing with new beginnings, new era, new chapter of life. This ending is the first step on the way to a happier future. Okay, so for those who are seeking advice regarding their job, career, and business, let's see what are the career cards has store for you. Okay, okay. Let's see. Taking steps. See, action. Action is key to getting where you need to go. You cannot wait around. Take a step in any direction to get unstuck and find opportunities. So do it now. Take action now, my dear Sagittarius friends. Okay, gifts. Wow. You are uncovering new talents that will land you new work and a better position. See, for those who are just promoted or you will be receiving a promotion or reward or recognition, you could get more money with the deal as well. Wow, that's a beautiful message for you. Okay, for those who have one question that is seeking for a yes or no advice, let's see. Okay, think about it now. Okay. Okay, if you will like this reading, please don't forget to comment below, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. The bottom of the deck.